guys, welcome to a day in my life. It's 4:30, getting ready for PT. Okay, so now I'm getting ready for the day. I'm gonna play some music and get dressed. I have french fries in my trash that needs to be thrown away, but I don't have any plastic bags. I also need to run to the BX later today because I need to get ribbon racks. I need to get ribbon racks because I don't have any. Everything's tricky. But first we're gonna make coffee. Okay, so I'm somewhat dressed. I'm gonna show you guys the fit, even though it's literally the same every day. I brought this waffle because it's cold here, and she's cute. Okay, so I believe that I'm 100% ready, put together. I just put some concealer and some mascara on. Y'all, it's so cold here, it's not even funny. So I'm gonna just make sure that I have all of my mandatory items. Hey guys, right now we're supposed to be studying, but I have some things I have to do, and I'm gonna be sitting here for at least the next hour. I'm trying to figure out how to get my hands on a ribbon rack because I need a ribbon rack because we're wearing our blues at the end of the month, and I only have one ribbon rack. I need to go get one of those. So I need to go over my project today because we're doing that first thing tomorrow. I need to call about getting a new pair of glasses or contacts or something because I lost my glasses. The BMT issued glasses, I lost them. So I need to go over do some studying. I need to plan some videos. So I'm gonna be doing this for like the next hour. I'm able to change and then go and get a ribbon rack. Okay, so I called. They literally only have 3 ribbon racks left. So I'm gonna have to run down there and like grab them because I need ribbon racks. God help me. Literally, God help me. Y'all, I walked all the way here for no ribbon racks. I got there, they were sold out. So now I'm in the BX buying stuff for my hair. I'm actually gonna wait to get this stuff because I don't want to get it now. I'm gonna just get it later. I just got my blues back from the dry cleaner. Fancy. Now I'm gonna go run and grab my laptop because I needed to get some homework done. But first I need to find my mailing slip with, here we go. Got my mailing slip and I'm just gonna grab everything that I need because once I come back up here, I'm gonna go study with my class. Okay, let's go. Y'all, this is one big laptop. We were supposed to have PT this morning, but they were like, because it's so cold outside, they were like, do you guys want to go back inside? And everybody's like, yeah, we want to go inside. I know. So crazy. I took my boxes that was over there out to the trash. Bro, it's cold. Like, it's cold. My hands are numb. I warmed up the coffee, but I didn't put the creamer in there. So now I have to put the creamer. And we're gonna do some Bible study. Okay, so on today's agenda, I'm about to change. I'm gonna change and put civilian clothes on because I have to go back to the post office today because my clear earrings came in the mail because I'm gonna put one in this hole and then one in this hole because I don't want them to close. I don't know about this one. This one might be pushing it, but I know this one for sure I'm putting one in. So I'm gonna see you guys when I'm in civilian clothes. This is the outfit. Shirt BX, pants BX, shoes BX. So I got my package. I'm gonna see if I can get away with putting an earring right here. So I'm gonna put all the earrings in and then I'll show you guys what they look like when I'm done. Okay, so I was able to get them in. You guys can even tell where I have them in apps. And I'm not gonna tell you either because that'll be defeating the purpose. But I got all of them in where they need to be. I think I'm actually gonna go run downstairs and grab chow because I'm kind of hungry and I have a lot of stuff to do tonight. So I'm gonna be inside. I also need to make my bed. I'm gonna be inside for the rest of the night, if we're being completely honest. This is the part of the video where I show you guys what I got from the BX. I spent $26, $27, let's round it up. Since I'm not going to dinner tonight because I have way too much studying to do, I got 3 of these meat sticks. I got 2 of these chicken bacon ranch pastas. And then, oh, here's the other one. Then just set those in the microwave. And then got trash bags. And then I also got some almond milk. I feel like I should have went to the commissary and brought all this stuff, but I should have waited and got this because I could have got oat milk from the commissary. But if I'm gonna eat oat milk tomorrow, I need this. So yeah. And yeah, so that's all I got. Now we're gonna get cracking with the studying and I need to film a video. What is up, Linksy? Happy Saturday. I'm gonna start this video off with some bad news. Cassie, my beloved dog, I'm gonna insert some pictures and some videos of her here. She's being put down today. They found a huge mass in her stomach and she's currently not eating or drinking anything, so they were trying to put her down Thursday or Friday, but my parents wanted to wait until everybody was able to go home and see Cassie. Everybody is home besides me and Taekwon. We are the only 2 people that are not there out of the 6 of us. And this just sucks because I can't be there with my best friend. The one person that has shown me what it's like to be loved unconditionally. Because no matter what happened, she was always there. Even when I didn't want her to be. And the one time she really needs me, I can't be there for her. Which absolutely sucked. I wanted to get my kids a dog, or like once I left here, I wanted to get another dog. Actually, I wanted to go get Cassie and bring her with me to my duty station, but she won't be here for that, so that sucks. And I've always wanted to get my kids a dog, but I don't know if I can go through this again. But also, when I get to my first duty station, I'm gonna be alone. So I was also thinking about getting a dog. But like I said, I don't know if I can go through this again. On a good note, I got my duty station. I'm gonna keep it a secret until I get there. Until I'm like traveling there. Right now I'm gonna go to probably the BX with Miller, and we're gonna go get our nails done. And I need to pick up my knockoff Apple Pencil. And among other things. So I'm gonna do my hair and then I'll see you guys when I'm done doing that, I guess.
I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able